Safety in the mountains isn't regional, it's global. Socorro Andino Peruano's global cooperation program unites insurers, travel agencies, and operators worldwide for one common goal: saving lives at altitude. This non-profit organization blends certified guides, specialized rescuers, and cutting-edge tech like Starlink, drones, and GPS with international protocols and partnerships to ensure every expedition has full protection. Operating in key zones like Cordillera Blanca, Huayhuash, and Cusco, they provide direct rescue support, logistical coordination, and emergency coverage through alliances across Europe, Israel, and the US. Join the movement, because when you partner with Socorro Andino Peruano, you bring peace of mind to every climber, trekker, and traveler venturing into extreme terrain.